If you need a quick break from calls and notifications, here's how to enable Do Not Disturb, now part of Focus, directly from Control Center on your iPhone or iPad. First of all, open Control Center. For that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen, then tap the focus icon. Hold or long press it to reveal options like Do Not Disturb, Personal, Work, Sleep, and Mindfulness. Then tap Do Not Disturb to activate it instantly. A crescent moon status appears at the top of your screen so you know it's on. You can even choose how long it stays on. Just tap on the three dots, then choose a duration like 1 hour until evening or until you leave your current location. That's all. Or to end Do Not Disturb, just open the control center again and tap on focus, then tap Do Not Disturb again or wait until your set duration ends. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.